Good afternoon, welcome back. I'm glad you guys have joined us again for another day with Niner Tech Talks. I'm Batman.
I'm Abishek.
I'm Drew.
I'm Ajay.
We're going to explore personally, hone in the scope on us individually, on what problem we aim to solve with our career, how we will solve it, and what significance that has for you as the viewers and for our society. Brew, will you list off what problem you hope to solve with your AI career?
Sure. So first, just to do some broad strokes, my primary interest within AI is how it can contribute to media creation and the creation of virtual worlds and just contribution to that. What I mean by that is we've already seen how these technologies contribute to creating content very easily that can then be iterated upon and improved. And further from that, I see a world where using these technologies, we can find new ways to express ourselves in our work and in our media, and to create these virtual communities that can connect people from across the world very easily and create almost a new form of community over the internet and other technologies. This is stuff like the metaverse, but I see a world where integrating things like AI can push this frontier a lot further. How about you, Tony?
While my career is also mostly focused on AI, so what I still haven't got to a problem that I need to solve, but it's like a luxury thing you could say. For example, let's say that you have like a Tesla car or some electric cars, and while you're driving, you want to charge because your charge is down or something like that. So instead of you could just saying like the assistants now cannot do those things like booking a charging spot or something like that. But we could use AI to figure out that your car is going to stop in some time. So your car will automatically, using AI, book a spot and also give you the location to go there and see all the different types of things that you need. For example, the rate, the time that it takes to charge, and stuff like that to help you continue your journey in a smoother way, which makes your life even smoother than usual. So how about you, Ajay?
Yeah, my career, I intend to be purely research oriented. So I want to push the boundaries on innovation and discoveries. AI is going to help me greatly just because of how much I'm going to employ it as a medium for improving my discoveries. So currently we already have Perplexity and ChatGPT being used in the field for accommodating research. So when I do work on agentic models, which are specialized models for specific tasks using multilinear and convolutional networks, they're gonna be modified for specific people through my work. I really want my research to reach everybody, and using AI to create these imaginary worlds where I can deploy my research will help me spread my research through the global community. Batman, what about you?
Thanks, Ajay. What really enlivens me is the thought of eliminating mundanity, all of the things in our day that are so monotonous, making your cup of coffee, driving to work, going shopping. Everybody experiences these things, and often we wish we could just bypass them in order to address the things that we really care about. And so I hope to propagate with AI the elimination of these things. This affects each person, you as a researcher, you as a businessman, and you in school as well. It affects each of us because each of us have these mundane things of the day. This is interesting to hear from y'all personally. And we would love to hear from the audience as well at some point. Thank you again for joining us, and we hope to see you next week.